We're going to talk about the drawing center that's behind the pink curtain. Here's what it looks like when it's all neat and put away properly. We've got crayons. We also have glitter crayons. On the shelf next to those is chalk and pastel. When you use chalk, you just take a little bin of it out of the big shoebox or a little bowl of pastels to your table. You will need to have a messy sheet to work with chalk and pastel, and they're found right there. Remember, be prepared to clean up a little bit early if you're using messy materials. We have skin crayons in the drawing center. There is a box of protractors, which are great for measuring angles, and that box also has some compasses. If you're not sure how to use one of these, enjoy figuring it out. We've got ballpoint pens and white chalk. We also have twistables up here on the top shelf. Lower down, you'll find colored pencils, and next to those, you'll find the oil pastels. Those are fun and also messy, so a messy sheet is necessary for those. There are rulers next to the oil pastels, and then crayon overflow and colored pencil overflow for just looking for extra colors. On the bottom shelf, there are texture rubbing plates. Here are the rules for paper. 1 large sheet per class that might even last you more than one class, or 2 small pieces per class. You find the drawing paper over in the paper section. The drawing paper is on the top 2 shelves. There are also some specialty papers to the right of that. We've got 3 sizes of graph paper and some comic book paper. If you just want to experiment with something, use the free draw paper. And if you're playing around with ideas, where is that inspiration going to come from? Well, it could come from the drawing library. Just make sure that when you're looking through the library, it's easier to find things when you and other people leave the spines facing out. Sometimes you'll find parts of the drawing center closed, and I ask that you respect that by not going behind the curtain to get things that aren't available. When you clean up, where do you put your work? Make sure it goes into your folder so that you can find it next week. Put all the supplies back where they came from, and happy drawing!